will.
Go.
We're sitting in the stilts, and with Tori who's practicing the pogo stick. But as you can see, I am very good at the stilts. Me and Tori both got them for my birthday, of course. That's really awesome. Now, Tori is getting the hang of it. A little. Yes, a little. Yes, I have already got the hang of it.
All right, Tori, I'm going to hold it for you.
Yes, the camera person is going to hold this for us. Hold it for us.
All right, switch.
This does mine. And this is over.
Switch.
Okay. Woo!
Mari, be humble, please.
He's very good at them too. Just a little
What do you need help with? I thought you could do the stilts.
Well, I can do them, but I can't get up this way. Woo!
I can only hold one, Tori. I'm holding the camera with the other.
Whoa. I'm hard just holding one. There we go.
Have you got it?
Woo! Wow, look at it go.
Here, I'll show you what I do.